Welcome to the Phoenix Feed. I'm Xander.
And I'm Joshua Kim. This week is Leadership Week. We are focusing on habit number 6, synergize. Our theme will be better together.
For Leadership Week, we will be doing a lot of different activities in class. We will decorate our buddy class's door, add to the rock garden, and there will be giant coloring posters in each building to color.
We have school picture day this week on Tuesday. It is uniform dress, so come in dress code clothes.
Now over to the Sports Center.
Welcome to the Sports Center. I'm Bella.
And I'm Abby. On Monday, boys soccer has an away game versus Hawthorne.
And volleyball has a home game versus Ascent Farmington.
On Wednesday, cross country has a race on Athos. Come back and watch our runners.
Also on Wednesday is a boys soccer home game versus Legacy Prep.
And girls volleyball has an away game at Ascent Lehigh.
On Thursday, boys soccer is playing at home against North Davis Prep.
Come and watch our teams compete this week.
Now back to the newsroom.
Thanks.
Now over to Teacher Spotlight.
Hi, my name is Sydney, and I'm here with Miss McQuilling. So what's your favorite breakfast food?
I'd have to say waffles.
Awesome. What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas, because I get to visit my family.
Nice. What's your favorite class in high school?
My favorite class in high school, so I went to boarding school, and I only had what's called an academic teacher who taught all subjects in high school, and then I had a horseback riding instructor, and I loved the horseback riding part other than my actual schoolwork. It was the best.
Nice. Now back to the newsroom.
Thanks.
And now for our most popular guest, Cooking with Kevin. Thanks, Kevin.
That's all the announcements.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Guys, we only have 8 minutes to film this. We should do this in one take. Alright?
One take.
We will do this in one take.
One take.
A lot of we need to get the viewers to be able to read our scripts. Okay, just a centimeter over. You'll be perfect. There you go.
That did nothing.
I did not move.
You're fine. There it is. There it is. Do not move. Tell me that is not. not
I
look
feel like
good.
the table is not centered.
That's not center.
It's not. Hey, it needs to move a little bit more this way. That way. The script.
And volleyball has a home game versus Ascent Farmington.
On Wednesday, cross country.
Why is it always on Wednesday?
And watch our runners.
Also on Wednesday is a boys soccer home game versus Legacy Prep.
It's not me.
I know, you're doing a good job.
It's me.
You have the mentality of Porter. Let's go.